Today we've got 4 sales reports: January, February, March and April. Each workbook has only one worksheet, but each worksheet is named after its month. First, load the folder into Power Query using getDataFrom folder. When you combine multiple files in Power Query, it expects matching spreadsheet names, but it doesn't have to. Normally, folder combine expects every workbook to have the exact same worksheet name. Ours don't. Let's fix that. Just click Combine and Transform Data like you normally would, and everything looks fine, until Power Query reaches the navigation step. Here it is. Instead of opening the first worksheet, it tries to open the one named April in every workbook. That obviously works only for the first file. The January workbook doesn't have a sheet called April, neither do March or February. That's why they've combined files. Fortunately, today every workbook contains only one worksheet, so instead of searching by name, we can simply take the first one. Let's open the Transform Sample File query. Here we can see the navigation step. Let's take a closer look. The hard-coded month name, April, as the item. If you are certain there is only one worksheet in your workbook, just remove item equals April from the filter. Power Query will automatically use the remaining row. Or skip the filter entirely and just use source 0 in curly brackets. It always grabs the first worksheet no matter what it's called. This trick is perfect whenever every workbook contains a single worksheet, but the worksheet names keep changing. A tiny change in one step, and that can save you a lot of frustration. See you next time. So instead of filtering by name, we are accessing the first item in the workbook using 0 index. Then we return its data. That's it. Refresh the query, and now all 4 workbooks are combined into one table.